Hey guys, it's me, Vaping with TJ13. How are you doing? I got my Zamplebox. This is the March one. If you don't know about Zamplebox, it is a subscription, a monthly subscription. And I have 6 bottles, and that's like maybe $35 or some change. Well, when tax is it's like almost $40. So yeah. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it for you. Actually, I already cut the seal. And so what you get in here is get this little spongy stuff down. This is how, if you haven't seen it before, it's packed up like this. This is how it looks on the inside. And I did get a rating card. So how you rate it, you rate your first, second, and third, your favorite ones, and send it to Zamplebox. I think it's on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Google Plus, and or Instagram. So yeah, it says, so what do you think? Well, I don't know yet, so yeah. And I have sticker, and this is the tasting menu right here. All right, so here are my 6 bottles here. Looks scrumptious. So without further ado, let's go ahead now. My first bottle is Simply Southern Lemon Lush. So let me see, where is it at? It's lemon cake with vanilla. It's $16. It's a 30 ml bottle, 70 VG. So yeah, and 0 nick. And that's how the bottle look. Simply Southern Lemon Rush. So the next one I have, oh, it's got Lucille Ball on there. There it is. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. Right there. Bombshell. Well, it says Lucille. It's an iconic blend of pineapple and creamy coconut. This is in a 30 ml bottle, 0 nick. It is 70% VG, $16 on Zamplebox. So yeah, cool. Okay, so next is Numbskulls. This is Brazzy, 0 nick. It is blue raspberry and hard candy. So it's $19 on their website. It's 70 VG. And it's by Taffy Man from Los Angeles, California. So yeah. Alrighty. Next is, what is this? I don't know if I can get it out. Is Bubble Pop Vapor Tropic Twist. I don't know if you can see that or not. My light might be too bright, but there it is. Let's see. Where's it at? Oh, okay, here it is. Blood orange. Ooh, what's blood orange? Blood orange, pineapple, strawberry, and bubblegum. What is blood orange? So it's $15 on Zamplebox, 30 ml bottle, 70% VG, and it's from Bubble Pop Vapors from University Place. What's WA? I need to go back and learn my state abbreviations. 0 nick. So yeah, okay, so next one is Vapetasia. This is killer custard strawberry. Okay, let's see. Strawberry custard. It's $12 on the Zamplebox. It's 30 ml, 70% VG. $12. Did I say that already? Anyway, killer custard strawberry. And the last one is Donuts E-Juice. And it's a donut, blueberry, and milk. It's $20 on their website. It's a 30 ml bottle, 0 nick. You see that 0 right there? Right there. 30% VG. And you can get, they're from Marina Vapes, LA, California, Los Angeles, California. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and test all 6 of these in this video. So, oh, my box retail value was $98.95, and I only paid 39, almost $40 for shipping. Yeah, so I'm gonna do Simply Southern Lemon Lush. All right. So, and will be changing the cotton out each time, so it has its own tasting. Let me shake it up a little bit. So, a pun for sniff. Ooh. Ooh, I smell a lot of lemon. I love lemon. Do you like lemon? Okay, so here we go. I'm trying this on my dead rabbit and the Vupu drag. All right, so I have it at 50 watts, 0.18 ohms. So here we go. Let me do this first. I don't like no popping in my mouth. Ooh. Oh, that's good. I like lemon. Ooh. Wow, that's real good. It does taste like a lemon cake, like it's got the glaze on top. I really don't taste that much vanilla. Oh, that's good. This could be an all-day vape for me. I'm almost getting choked. Yeah, that's good. All right, so here's Lucille's, the bombshell. This is the iconic blend of pineapple and creamy coconut. All right, so let's do it. I already changed the cotton and everything. So. Iconic blend of pineapple. I don't taste pineapple. I do taste the coconut. I taste a little bit of pineapple. It's okay. It wouldn't be an all-day vape for me. But you know, everybody's palate is different, so you might like it. Woo! Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so next one is Numbskull Brassy. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, brassy. All right. Oh, this is a blue raspberry hard candy. I don't like it. The box says tangy, tarty candy. No, I don't like it, but it don't taste like a candy to me. I do taste a tarty. I don't taste a tangy. It don't taste like blueberry. So no, that won't be an all-day vape for me. So, next. All right, so this is Bubble Drop Vapors, the Tropic Twist. So, let's take a vape. I'm sorry if I made a face. I'm sorry, but something in there. Okay, what is this? Tropic Twist is blood orange, pineapple, strawberry, and bubblegum. No, something. Ooh, I don't know what it is. I know what pineapple and strawberry tastes like, and I know how bubblegum. This blood orange, I do not know what a blood orange is. But something in there is not good. This is not pleasing to me. This would be a no to me. You might like it, but I'm not going to say I don't recommend, because, you know, everybody's palate is different. I don't recommend it for me, put it that way. All right, so now I have Vape Killer Custard Strawberry. Kind of a little nervous on this because I never had custard that I know of. But, yeah. And then these other ones that I tried, oh, jeez. Okay, here we go. I can tell you it smells good, so. Now this is pretty good. But am I tasting strawberry with me? I'm not tasting strawberry. I have a hard time tasting strawberries through a vape. I don't know why. But it's not bad. All right, but it's not bad at all. So, yeah. Killer custard. All right, so the last one is donuts. It's blueberry. Let me see what it actually says. It says blueberry donuts, donut, blueberry, and milk. I'm kind of a little nervous about this one as well because I'm not a fan of blueberry. So, yeah, a warm, fluffy blueberry donut dunked in a glass of milk. So, here we go. Smells good though. Smells like blueberries. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's not bad at all. It's not bad. I even taste the blueberries. I don't know about the glass of milk. But I do, and I taste the donut. But like donut e-liquids, to me, it makes them it tastes dry to me. But it wouldn't be an all-day vape, but I can vape it. So that's it, guys. That was my March Zamplebox tasting for you. Please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. Oh, let me tell you, what is my top 3? Let's see. All right, so we're gonna start at 3rd place. 3rd place would be Vape, the Killer Custard with strawberry. So that would be my 3rd place. And then my 2nd place would be the donut, the blueberry donut. And then my number 1 for my 1st place would be Simply Southern Lemon Lust. Oh, this, y'all, this is so good. Yes. So, yeah. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Peace out and vape on.